So, very good morning. Because you need the market update, I'm already awake and make sure that you know what's going on the market. Because guys, we have so many things to talk about. It's really crazy today, to be honest. And I think that we could see a pretty damn red day under certain circumstances, okay? But to understand this, you need to watch this format of breaking news from the beginning till the end. It's just 10 minutes and it's straight to the point. No question, no chat, nothing, just the pure information that you need for the day, okay? Let's start immediately because we are having fantastic earnings by Tesla. Tesla just did the record quarter, and they did the record quarter in delivery, in profit, in margins, in overall financial health, cash. It's just so unbelievable, guys. Automotive gross margin, it's jumped crazy as well. It's really crazy what Tesla delivered there. And obviously, the stock went up 3% yesterday after market and will continue over the next couple of weeks. That's my personal opinion. So let's see. I don't think that we will see now a Tesla stock below 400. I absolutely cannot imagine. This is just the numbers that we need to further go ahead. And then, there's the other catalysts that can bring the stock even higher, like the S&P 500, inclusion the Q4 and the autopilot and so many other things. Guys, this company is so amazing. I cannot even describe it properly to you, so make sure to check it out. I have a couple of other pieces of content here on this channel, like for example, I summarized I cut down the Q3 earnings call in just under 6 minutes. If you don't want to listen to the 1.5 hours official version, and just to give you a small teaser, there will be 1 million Teslas in 2021. This is what Elon Musk teased and answered to an analyst. So very interesting. Make sure to check this out after this video. Now, further than that, we have those earnings. Just to give you a small appetite, 76 cents versus 57 expected, 8.77 billion revenue versus 8.36 billion revenue, and 331 versus 394 million expected, and we had the record quarter of 139,300 vehicles. Now, further, we have some bad news. The thing is about the current situation, we have talks about the stimulus, right? And this is what brought the market up, and also the futures up on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But now it seems like, they meet every day. They cannot agree on something. Plus, we have now the news of Iran and Russia apparently trying to interfere in the elections. That's at least what the FBI is saying. So this is obviously giving us a bad taste to all of that. And that's why we see the futures quite red as of this morning. Let's have a look what the futures are saying as of now. I think, so pretty much red here. S&P futures a 0.5% down. Same goes for Dow and Nasdaq. And just because we talked about Tesla, let's see what Tesla is doing. Is this already for this morning? I don't know if it's, it could be this morning already. 3.75% plus for Tesla, scratching the $440 mark here for the electric car and energy company. So then I have a second channel. I don't know if you know already, but make sure to check it out. I'm posting their breaking news and other great content, so make sure to check that out as well. Yesterday I posted a video why Virgin Galactic, for example, was minus 10%. All about it on my recent video on my second channel. Link into the description of every video that you are watching. Then obviously we are in the earnings season, which means that also today we have a couple of earnings that could not only move the market, but also give us a little bit of an outlook what's going on. Okay, so Coca-Cola is definitely the earnings that you can watch for the consumer power that is currently on the market. However, though, Coca-Cola, people buy Coca-Cola if it's a freaking recession, okay? They bought buying Coca-Cola when it's, the economic boom. So it's not like the main economical indicator if the economy is recovering, but definitely something that you can watch for consumer behavior. American Airlines, one of those pretty companies that will be really hit, and we shall see now the development, because Q2 was disastrous, obviously, and now this next quarter is a little bit better. But how good? This is the question. How good will be the next quarter? Because this is the quarter where we see further diving into this crisis, and the overall situation don't get better for airlines, right? Then we have AT&T, obviously very interesting for those people out there who invested into this company because of, for example, the dividend, right? And finally, also a big one in Southwest Airlines, which I think is one of the best airlines that you can be invested in, because they are so niche into their only US travel that, US is a very big country, right? So this airline is specialized in only US travel. So I think it's an interesting airline business if you want to invest into an airline business, okay? Then, we talked about the stimulus, that the stimulus talks drag a bit, which gives the whole situation, a little bit of, downturn. And obviously, the question is if this downturn will even continue, because if we are just having a look into the economic calendar, it's Thursday, which means it's Labor Thursday, which means we will know the jobless claim numbers, though as you can see here, it's not that like crazy important. It's definitely a huge outlook on the economy and how people are affected, but even if the numbers are bad, it doesn't affect the market like crazy. It's expected that it's not great, so every improvement obviously will be bullish, but otherwise this could fuel to the red numbers today as well. Now, let's have a look into the Asia market, which the Ant Group finally gets the final approvals for its big IPO, and that's interesting. If you are interested in Chinese fintech companies, then this is something that you look into, guys. And then yesterday, big news for all the crypto investors out there. Bitcoin prices surges after PayPal jumps into the cryptocurrency business. What does it mean, guys? Okay, so now you will be able to buy and sell in crypto on PayPal. Plus, you can pay in crypto as well, which automatically convert bitcoins or other current cryptocurrencies into fiat money, US dollars, euro, whatever you pay from. So huge step, and exactly this is the step that is needed. Yesterday, I had a special guest, the very first guest here on the live stream, Justin Piqueles, who is an expert into that. So make sure to check out the yesterday's Tesla earnings live stream, and you will see him how he talks about Bitcoin. If you're interested more into Bitcoin, let me know in the comments, guys, and we will make a dedicated Bitcoin stream together with him. This would be definitely the best that you can get out there in terms of information, because this guy is on the top of his game, very known also in the crypto industry. So make sure to check that out as well. Now, we are having at 8:30 a.m. on CNBC, Paul Tudor Jones, a billionaire trader, who will talk about with Andrew Ross Sorkin on CNBC Squad, which will be very interesting. I will tune in. This will be just an hour before the market opens, and he will talk about the markets, election, plus his take on Bitcoin. So very interesting. You should watch that, okay? If you're interested into the market and what big guys are doing right now, these guys or this guy is very successful in his trading, as again, a multi-billionaire, and this is something that you should definitely watch. The second thing that is also important is Quibi. Yesterday, a short form mobile video startup that just raised $1.75 billion and still fighting to survive. And it seems that unfortunately they lost the fight, and Quibi couldn't get sold to any of the big guys, so it will be most probably shut down, which is unfortunately, I cannot imagine how it feels for those investors. But that's the venture capital business, that's the startup business. You invest in 10 companies, 8 of them most probably fail. Okay, even as big as Quibi, even as big as funding they got with $1.75 billion. This is the investing game. So, and I think that's it. Thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to thumb up this live stream if you liked it, and make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm posting there so often, guys. Make sure to make that right now. Wolf of Dubai Danny, I wish you a fantastic day, and stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned, because just in a couple of hours we will have another vlog about Virgin Galactic. So make sure to stay tuned and stay healthy. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.